Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nesa Alfianita. Write the student ID number A1A021084, Class 1C, Indonesian Language Education Study Program. In this video, I will explain the material about descriptive text. Please see the video. The first, I will explain the definition of descriptive text. Descriptive text is a type of text in English that clearly describes characteristics inherent in something, be it humans, animal, plants, or inanimate objects. The purpose of this text is to provide clear information about the object described to the reader. Furthermore, the characteristics of descriptive text are using simple present tense. This text uses the simple present tense because we will describe the facts attached to an object, and one of the functions of the simple present tense itself is to show a fact or truth. Suppose you want to describe your bed, you can use the sentence, "The color of my bedroom is blue," using many adjectives, because the function of this text is to provide information by describing an object being described. In descriptive text, there will be many adjectives. Examples are big, small, colorful, and so on. Using a connecting verb. A relative verb is a verb that gives an explanation to the noun that is the subject of a sentence. For example, is, have, seem, and other verbs. Generic structural of descriptive text. Descriptive text has its own rules regarding its structure. The following is the generic structure of descriptive text. 1. Identification. This section, located in the first paragraph, aims to identify an object to be described. Identification serves to introduce the reader to the object that we are going to explain. Before we tell about the object in more detail in the next paragraph. 2. Description. This section, located in the second paragraph, and so on, contains the characteristic inherent in something that you have introduced to the reader in the first paragraph. Well, I will give an example of descriptive text. Example of a short descriptive text. Jember Regency. Jember is a regency in East Java. It is located in between Bondowoso and Banyuwangi. Banyuwangi is regency that is located at the easternmost end of Java Island, before Bali Strait, so that we can know that Jember is near enough from Bali Island. Jember is a beautiful place. In Jember, there are a lot of interesting places to visit, such as Papua Beach, Watu Ulo Beach, Watu Ondo, Pencer Beach, Rembangan, and so on. Jember also has a famous carnival, named Jember Fashion Carnival. It is an international annual fashion carnival which usually held in August. Besides some beautiful places and a famous carnival, Jember also has a unique culture. People usually call it as Panhalungan. Panhalungan is an acculturation culture between Javanese and Maduranese. Jember has a total area of 300 km2. Because of that, it creates a different culture between North Jember and South Jember. In North Jember, there are a lot of Maduranese people and they usually speak Maduranese. On the other hand, in South Jember, not many Maduranese people live there. It is dominated white Japanese people. Because of that, it creates a new unique language which other regency do not have. The example is worth check which means fairy. Well, maybe that's the material about descriptive text I can convey. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.